Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to change when the computer sleeps in Windows 10. So if you want to do it, you need to click right mouse button on icon of start and then you need to go to run. Here you need to type Ctrl and press OK button, and now we need to go to System and Security, and here we need to go to Power Options. Now from the left panel we need to go to option Change when the computer sleeps, and here we need to change these settings. For example, we can change time when turn off the display or put the computer to sleep. So you can change it by clicking here, and now you can set the time that you want to use. For example, I change it to 2 hours. On battery mode and on plugged in I change it to 1 hour. Of course you can change it to for turn off the display. So I click here and for example I change it to 30 minutes on battery mode, and maybe I will change it to 20 minutes for plugged in. If you want to save changes, you need to click this one button, Save Changes, and after that new settings will be successfully implemented. So it's all for today. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to check links in description.